Hi, welcome back to graphixslice channel. We are going to continue modify tools in this session. So in previous sessions we finished move, copy, rotate. So now we will go to align. So align, offset and mirror and other tools we will discuss. So first tool, align. So name itself indicates, so we can align the components or else we can align the walls as per the necessity. But here you have to specify first and reference component. See here in example they are showing align shortcut command is AL. First I'm going to pick any component, for example desks. So I'm going to place here randomly desk or chair, whatever it may be. So how to align the components I will show you with the example. See here, so 6 desk components I placed here. Then I'm going to align. So go to the align tool. So I'm going to pick this end, and whenever we are going to pick this, you can align any one component. See the status bar. So in this status bar we have one more option, multiple alignment. Means with the help of reference of source object, if you want to align multiple objects, then use this. So if with the help of source object, if you want to align only one object, no need to select this. So I'm going to multiple alignment. So select multiple, just pick this and pick this. See here, with the help of one source we can align multiple components. Then again you can't align this, so just first escape from this tool, means this option. Again you have to select align for the another align option. Click escape. Again I'm going to first multiple is enabled, so I'm going to pick this one and this one, right? Again horizontal I want to align, so then again go to align tool, select this one, I think both are in correct manner. So now I don't want multiple alignment, erase this. Now source one, target, fine. Then again source, target. See, like this uniformly we can arrange. So this symbol shows lock, means constraint. If I constrain the position or else constrain the objects, then what will happen? See here, if I move this, automatically along with the which one is constrained, so along with source and target both are moved. Here also we can constrain the elements. Anytime you can unconstrain this, if necessary then you can constrain it. So this is about align tool. So in align we have only one option, that is multiple element. So other options are there, wall faces. So if you want to align the wall based on what, wall center line or wall faces or core faces or faces of the core. So what about this? So just go to my previous class. So in session 2 I explained about walls. So in that check it about wall preferences. So now I'll show wall alignment also. How? One second. So I'll show just randomly. I'm going to prepare some walls. See, like this I prepare. So I want to align the walls, select this, go to align. So I want to align this wall with this wall. So which parameter you are going to pick, wall face or wall center line? So here wall center line you can choose. This is dotted line represent the wall center line. So I'm going to pick this end along with this end. See what will going to happen? So along with this, so uniformly this one is aligned. So just exactly opposite to this portion. So if you want to align with outside, for example this inner portion I'm going to pick and this portion. See here what happens. This is the difference you are getting. Control Z. So if I pick pick wall center line and wall center line, automatically it will align that too. So to exit from any tool I have to click 2 times cancel or else 2 times escape. Next, offset. So what do you mean by offset? So offset means with the help of value or else with the help of specific distance we can copy the object, nothing but we can duplicate the object. See here, so when we are selecting offset, so shortcut command OF. So here we have two options. Graphical means manually we can offset the object, numerical means specific value. So if you know the specific value easily with the help of specific offset value you can copy the object. If copy is enabled, you'll get a duplicate. If copy is disabled, source will automatically move. See example graphical. So I'm going to offset this wall, pick this. So now after that I'm going to select this one as a base and this one as a displacement. So you'll get a copy. Why? Because copy is enabled. So if copy is disabled, so select, then specify the base and then specify the displacement. Here it shows the value also. See here how much distance. So it's nearly 5 feet. Exactly with the 5 feet value we can specify. So this is graphical. If I go with the numerical with the copy option or without copy option, so 5 feet value is there, just click beside, automatically you'll get the wall with offset of 5 feet. So inside or outside we can specify easily. This is automatic option. See, so numerical means with the help of specific value. Graphical means we have to specify manually with or without copy option. This is about offset. So offset you can't apply it for components. This is applicable only for system families, means walls. Next, mirror. So what do you mean by mirror? So we'll get a reflection. So reflection of the image or object. So similar to in AutoCAD. I'm going to place component here. So just one example I'm going to show. Select this. So in mirror again here we have a two option. One is pick axis, another one is draw axis. For pick axis shortcut command is mm. For draw axis shortcut command is dm. So go to pick axis first. What do you mean by pick axis? See here, if we have a reference then we can easily mirror it. So without reference then go with draw axis. Example. So I want to mirror this furniture exactly with the same gap here. So that's why I'm going to pick this and go to the pick axis. Just pick the axis. So what is the distance from wall to component is there? Same distance you will get a reflection image also. So this is mirror with the help of reference, that is pick axis. So now I want one more object here, means this table I need one more here. But here I don't have in between, here I don't have any reference. Then go with the draw axis. So then you can manually draw somewhere approximately. I'm going to draw here. So this is the first point of mirror axis, then second point of mirror axis. Exactly, you will get one more duplicate. So this reference line you have to draw when you are going with draw axis. But this one already reference is there, just pick it. So depending upon the necessity or application, choose which one is better. Align, offset, mirror with pick axis and mirror with draw axis we discussed in this session. In next session we will discuss remaining modify tools. Please practice all these things. Next we will do another tools. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit like also. Thank you very much.